Children, good morning, all of you. Once again, good morning to all.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
A very good morning.
Good morning,
Here, here, Mohammad Patel. Here, and there are few 3 to 5 students are there in this class who are not sending their work. So here, I request you to please send your work kindly. Okay? Here
yes, ma'am.
and
Today I will
Mohammad.
send.
Yeah, please here Mohammad Patel. And you all know that tomorrow is your chapter 1 CET. CET is the chapter ending test. Got it? CET is chapter ending test.
Yes.
Chapter is completed. Chapter 1 is completed. Now that is tomorrow is your CET. Today we will start the new chapter.
Ma'am, but which chapter you are doing in CET?
Which chapter we completed, Ahana?
Yeah. No. Break.
That is the which chapter number? What is the number of this chapter? So you know everything.
Okay, ma'am.
Chapter number 1, building with bricks, is CET tomorrow. Right. So today we are going to start the new chapter. We are not starting the chapter number 2 today. We are going to start the chapter number 3 today. Got it? We are going to start the chapter number 3 today. Why we are starting the chapter number 3? As we have learned about the number system, the way we have learned number system in chapter number 1, right? But there was no number system in the chapter number 1. But we have learned, we have started with the number system only, because you will only do the maths able to do when you know about the number system. So first we started the number system in the chapter number 1. Then we have learned about the 2D, 3D shapes. That all related to the chapter number 1. Because in NCERT, the chapters, the topics are given based on the stories. Right. If you observe your NCERT book, you have learned in grade 3 also. Meet Prohit, please mute yourself. In NCERT, because NCERT you were following in grade 3 also, and you have learned that it is based on the stories. With the stories, we are learning the concepts. Got it? If you got it, thumbs up. Yes. So this year also, based on the stories, the chapter are based on the stories. So now the chapter number 3, trip to Bhopal, is one story based on the trip. What do you understand by the trip to Bhopal means? What do you, Varija will tell me, Varija. Yes, what do you understand by why they have given the name of this chapter, trip to Bhopal?
Because they are going to Bhopal.
Yeah, they are going to Bhopal. If you go any trip, yes, my next question is from Laisha. Laisha, if you plan any trip and if you are going somewhere out, what all the things you keep in your mind?
Fun. The trip means fun. If
Yeah, going
fun in
outside.
going to somewhere else.
Yes, yes. So what
Like
all the
that.
things before going out, right? Bahar jaane
We
se
have to
pehle.
plan the things.
Yeah, you have to plan the things.
Planning
So
things.
which things you plan? Which things you keep in your mind?
Like we will go. We will make a picnic over where we go over Bhopal and some plans. Like I don't know, but they make
Yes,
some plans like.
Priyag has raised his hand, so he will explain us.
Ma'am, how many days will get how many days would by road or by train, by
Very
any
good,
transport?
very good. He is saying that how many days we will go. If we go by train or we go by bus or road transport, we will use, or air transport we will use. All these things we plan. Anything else we plan in the trip? Anything else? I'm asking from you all. It's a common question.
Where we have to go.
Where we have to go, how we have to go, how many of the people from the family will go. Everything
Ma'am,
is planned or not?
ma'am, I know how many people will come in the train.
Yes, in one, if you are going train.
Ma'am, sometimes the family come no want to get by train, and sometimes father, mother, and brother and me go no. We can go to car also.
See, all these planning, lot
Which
of
place
calculation.
is
Huh. Which place is good?
basic?
Hmm. So all of this planning needs lot of calculations, right? कहीं पे आपको ऐड करना होगा, कहीं पे सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा, कहीं पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना होगा, कहीं पे डिवीजन करना होगा. ये सब चीजें, everything will be applicable in this chapter. Yes or no? You all agree with me? Yes. Some for example, पहले first trip में 6-10 people are agreed to go. Then few of them say no, we are not going. 4 people are not going. So from 10 people, if 4 are not going, which operation you will apply here?
Minus.
Subtraction.
Subtraction. Subtraction. So all these are, yes, addition, subtraction. Good. Addition, subtraction.
As you
Multiplication.
take money according to the people.
Yes, subtraction,
Division.
division,
Multiplication.
multiplication, and what else? These are the 4 basic multiplication and division. These are the 4 basic operations which called in mathematics, we call them operations. These are the 4 basic operations which are
So
required
dumb.
in.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I went for hospital.
Excuse me, ma'am, we can't hear you. Then your microphone is on, but
Who is saying you cannot hear me?
Ma'am.
Kush, I will repeat it. Kush, I will repeat it. No problem. Who is saying my microphone is not on?
ma'am, Varenya.
Varenya, log out and log in again. I think other can listen me.
No, ma'am, your microphone is on only, but we can't hear you.
So log out and log in again. Sometime network issue.
Here
Kush, I was telling them that we are going to start this chapter today, chapter number 3, trip to Bhopal. In this chapter, they are planning for a trip, right? And in trip, what all the things we do, we plan for going outside, right? How many people are going outside, which mode of transport we will use, how many tickets we have to take, what food we have to take to outside. All these we will plan in a trip. So in this chapter also they are going, there is a group going to the Bhopal, right? They are going for a Bhopal. Bhopal is a place where they are going. So in this chapter, these are the 4 basic operations which we will learn: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So today we will start with addition. After completing these operations, I will connect these operations with your textbook exercises. Got it?
Ma'am, tomorrow I send all worksheet. You get it.
First of all, it is not tomorrow, it is yesterday.
Yesterday I sent it.
My dear, I have checked everyone's work on Saturday. If you have sent yesterday, I need to check again and I will revert you back.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Varija.
After 3 days, there's my birthday, 23rd of April.
Okay, we will wish you on that day. Okay. So now I'm going to present you my screen and we will start with one quiz, right? I'm going to present my screen and I'll show you something. Keep a paper pen with you so that you can do the calculations because it requires calculations. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, there is a boy, Kaushik, wants to buy some gifts out of these gifts. And he is only having the 1,000 rupees. So can you tell me which all the things he can buy out of these pictures? 1000 रुपीज में वो क्या क्या खरीदेगा?
Ma'am,
I
can you
will-
tell the question
Yes,
again?
yes, I will present my screen again because I'm just watching you. That's why you will not able to see. Now listen the question carefully. I will show you the picture. There is a tag price also written. So if you know the operation of addition, you can easily do it by finding out if you have 1000 rupees, which all the things he will buy. The boy is having only 1000 rupees. Out of the 1000 rupees, the tag price are given here. Tell me which all the things he can buy.
Ma'am, I can say
Which child is saying?
Arnav. Arnav is saying.
Okay, Arnav, tell me. Arnav, tell me which all the
First,
things.
he get a pen. A second one pen 20 rupees.
Okay.
Then one tide is 150 rupees.
Wait, let you please add also your amount. If your total is coming 1000 or not. First, he will buy 20, and he only needs to take the 4 items, 1000 with him, and he wants to buy 4 different. Yes.
One we have to buy a bag.
One bag. Bag is of
First
270.
bag. First bag. I know. It is, you said now 4. Then first bag.
Okay, first bag, then
Then bottle one.
children, you also please try in your rough notebook and tell me which 4 items he will buy to total 1000 rupees he will expend. He will spend only, mute your mics please. He will spend only 1000 rupees and he has to buy only 4 things. If your answer is coming, then please tell me which 4 things he will buy. Which child is saying I? Because when I present the screen, I am not able to see. Tell your name.
Mohammed Patel.
Which child?
Mohammed Patel.
Yes, Mohammed Patel. Please tell me.
First, water bottle.
Water bottle. Tell me the price of a water bottle also.
182.
Okay. Then
Pen.
pen is of with 20 rupees. Okay.
And this compass box.
Compass box is of 100 rupees. Yes. Then
Then tie.
tie is of 150. तो 4 items में आपके 1000 rupees तो spend ही नहीं हुए. 452 ही स्पेंड हुए. आपको पूरे 1000 रुपीज स्पेंड करने हैं और 4 थिंग्स ही लेनी है.
Ma'am, we have to add 4 or 3
4 things.
items.
4 things. 4 items.
4 things. Okay.
So that you can spend the 1000 completely. Try this fast.
Ma'am, tie.
Tie, okay. 150. Then
Compass box.
100. Then
Pen.
20. Then
This watch.
then also it will not come, my dear. Try in the rough notebook so that your 1000 complete 1000 will come, my dear. Little fast.
Ma'am, Hana, can I tell?
Yes, Ahana.
Ma'am, firstly the bag.
Bag, okay. 275.
Ma'am, no ma'am. First the chair.
Chair,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Then
Ma'am, then compass box.
compass box, okay, that is 100, and now total is 700. Still you have 300 to spend.
Yes, ma'am, and the bag.
Bag is 275. Still you need to spend 25.
And the pen.
Pen 20 का कर दोगे तो 5 rupees. Where you will spend the 5 rupees? There is no item of 5 rupees. आपकी कैलकुलेशन ऐसी होनी चाहिए so that the All
Ma'am,
four
I
items
get-
will come in.
Ma'am, I get 980, 20 rupees pen. I can say, first we have
Yes,
to
Arnav.
get specs, uh,
Specs.
and
Say again. From the beginning. First
this
item
one,
is
specs. This one,
Arnav Desai.
yes, I'm saying in water down bottle specs. The older people can hold the
Specs. Okay.
specs.
Yes.
Teddy
Specs
bear
is
250.
then
20 pen
250 teddy bear. Okay. 20 pen.
and 80, it is 100 and 1000 rupees we can do. 1000 it is
80
there.
rupees what?
80 what is the snake was then teddy bear beside it is there. This one.
80 rupees. Yes. Yes, this one. But then
Yes,
also
this
if you
one.
add the 80, then also your 1000 is not coming. It's coming 970.
907.
Yes, I want at least, please, children, try this.
I can't. First we have to do specs, teddy bear,
Okay.
and teddy bear and 100 rupees compass box, 20 rupees
6,
and
7.
80 and 80.
See, 620 compass packs, then 80 rupees compass
Yes.
box. 80 rupees, there is no compass box.
100 rupees compass
Yeah,
box.
and then this is a.
Teddy bear is 250 and there was snail only 80 and a 20 rupees pen.
No, this is still. You please write in the chat box. Children, please try. Priyag, have you tried?
The ma'am,
Yes, Mohammed. Mohammed, yes, tell me.
first bag,
Wait, let me write your number. First is
Book.
bag
book,
275, then book is 450, then
then teddy bear,
teddy bear is 250, then
chair,
chair is how Mohammed? Just add them now. Add 275 plus 450 plus 250 plus 600. Children, I will post this in the classroom and you have to find out the price and tell me. Okay? Till now, I think nobody has given me the answer. Because you're not doing the trial. You just observe this and find out if you need to buy 4 items only and you have 1000 rupees, you need to spend your 1000 rupees to buy 4 items out of this. तो आप कैसे कौन से item खरीदोगे खुश?
Ma'am, the chair.
Chair is 600. Okay, then
Ma'am, the bag.
bags, my dear, remember ये 275 का बैग है. बाकी जो रिमेनिंग 25 इसमें बच रहे हैं उसका कोई आइटम नहीं है. सो टेक द नंबर्स इन अ राउंड ऑफ. सो जब आप ऐड करो तो 1000 अच्छे से आ जाए.
Ma'am, I can say. Ma'am, I can try.
Which child is saying I can try?
Anshil Jariwala.
Yes, Anshil, please try.
Ma'am, first one is notebook, textbook,
Yeah, that is 450, right?
450.
And then another is
Then goggles,
goggles 620.
teddy bed,
आपके तो यही हो गए 620 plus this is more than 1000. 2 items में ही more than 1000 हो गया.
ma'am,
Please mute yourself. Final answer, tell me.
ma'am,
Ma'am, I can speak Rishik.
Yes, Rishik, please try.
Yes, ma'am. The 600 is of chair
Yes.
and 250 of teddy
Yes.
and 150 of tie.
Yes.
So it will come to 1000.
But one more item you need to buy. You need to buy 4 items.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I know the correct answer now.
Yeah, tell me your name first.
Ma'am, Yug.
Yes, you tell me.
Ma'am, first we have to buy a chair,
Chair,
then a teddy bear,
250. Yes.
then a tag,
Tag is of
150.
one tie, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Then one
मैं
book.
योग यहीं पे 3 आइटम्स में ही 1000 हो गए आपके.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I can say
Yes, please
ma'am
tell your name.
is one. Yeah,
Tell your
ma'am.
name.
Mohammed.
Tell your name fast, Mohammed.
Hmm. First will book, textbook,
Yes. Then.
then 150 of tie,
Yes.
then teddy bear,
Teddy bear is of 250.
then then is water bottle.
वाटर बॉटल नहीं. अगर 182 का वाटर बॉटल करोगे तो राउंड ऑफ में कहीं नहीं. नो.
Ma'am, I get answer, perfect answer. I write in of book mine.
Ma'am, watch.
Yes.
Perfect answer.
Yes. Tell
First
me.
first we get a chair,
Chair.
and next we have to 250 teddy bear. It is there, no?
Yes.
Then 100 of the book. It is there.
100 book. Book is not there
Yes.
of 100. This is the box, compass box.
Compass box. Yes, compass box.
Uh,
And then it is 80 plus 20.
which 80 plus 20?
This one, no?
Yes.
The snail and.
But you need to
penguin.
buy only 4 items.
Ma'am, I said 4 items only.
No, you
No,
said
I
one.
said 5 items.
Yes. So, my dear children, this is the very
Ma'am.
interesting. And now last, I will start something else now. This is very interesting activity and your mind exercising activity, which I will send in the classroom. Try it and send me in the classroom. Okay. Do the calculation with the paper and pen in the notebook and write the name of the object, write the price and tell me the answer in the classroom. Okay. Got it, everyone?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So this is the addition activity we have done. How to add the numbers and how to get the answer. Got it? Now, there are some properties of the addition which I will show you my screen and I will explain you. You no need to write. You just listen, and when I will send you this in the classroom, then you write in the notebook. Got it? Show me thumbs up or show me yes or no, because when I'm presenting my screen, I'll not able to see. My next screen is visible. Properties of addition is written here at the top.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
A zero added to a number does not change the value of the number. If we add a zero to any number, for example, if I add a zero to the 10, the answer will be 10 only. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. When we add zero to any number, the answer is the number itself. Can Priya try to give me one example of this property?
Yes, ma'am. 1000 plus 0 is equal to 1000.
Excellent. Laisha, try one example of this property when zero added to any number.
1000 plus 0.
Another digit. I don't want same example.
Okay. 22,000 plus 0 is equal to 22,000.
Got it. Everyone got it? Yes or no? This property, zero property is clear to you all? Tell me answer, because when I will present the screen, I'm not able to
Yes,
see.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will move to the next property. When 1 added to a number, when, for example, if I add 1 to the 7, we have learned successor and predecessor in our last class in number system. So when we were adding 1 to the number, we were getting the successor of that number. So 1 added to number gives you the successor of the number. For example, 766 plus 1 is equals to 767. Now next child will Hanshil will give me the example based on this. Hanshil, give me the example based on this property? When we add, yeah, I am telling you from the verbally. When 1 added to any number, what will be the answer? Tell me. When 1 added to any number, for example, 10 plus 1, what you will get?
11.
11 is the successor of that number or the predecessor of that number? Successor. Always when we add 1 to the number, any number, we will get the successor of that number. Yes, you.
Ma'am, 10,000 plus 1 is equal to 10,001.
Very good. So, wait. Next property is if two numbers are added in any order. For example, 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3 give you the same answer, which is 5. है ना? चाहे हम 3 को पहले लिखें, 3 plus 2 करें, then also our answer is 5. Or 2 plus 3 करें, then our answer is also 5. So when we change the order of the numbers, means आगे पीछे कर देते हैं, then also the answer comes same. So when example is 1445 plus 2216 equals to 2200 and equals this. When we add these two groups, either these two groups, the answer will be the same, 3661. Got it? The way of explaining you the same, that if you change the order of the numbers, yes please Arnav, go. If you change the order of the numbers, the answer will remain the same. 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3 give you the same answer. In any order, if you write the numbers, the sum of the numbers comes the same. And when you add the numbers, the answer which will come, that is called what, children? When you add two numbers, for example, 3 plus 2, and the answer is 5, this is called what? In addition, the answer is called what? आपने grade 3 में पढ़ा होगा ना? जो आंसर निकलता है एडिशन के अंदर, उसको क्या कहते हैं? Tell me, my dear. It's an open-ended question for everyone. It is called what? Turn on your mic.
Ma'am, remainder.
No.
Sum.
Yes, it is called sum. The answer in addition is called sum. Wait, let me drink water. The answer in addition is called sum. And the numbers which we are adding, for example, I am adding 3 and 2. So 3 and 2, these numbers which we are adding, these are called what?
Ma'am,
Yes,
they both are called addend.
very good. They are called addend. Okay, they are called addends. Addend 1, addend 2. If there are more numbers we are adding, so we can give them the serial addend 1, addend 2, addend 3, addend 4, right? But the word which we call them, this is called addends. Got it? Now we go to the next property. We have done 3 properties. First is 0 is added to the number. No change in the number itself is the answer. If we add 1 to the number, we will get the successor of that number. If we are adding the numbers in any order, we will get the same answer. The fourth property is if 3 or more numbers are added in different groups, this word is remains. R-E-M-A-I-N-S. Remains the same in all cases. If you are adding more than 2 numbers, adding 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers, and in any order, here also we're talking about the order. कोई से भी numbers को, for example, there are, wait, I will explain you here on the board. Tell me just, my board is visible to you all or not? My board is visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I also have a board over here, so I will just see yours and I will also write on mine board.
Okay. If you add 3 plus 2, then also 5, and 2 plus 3, then also 5. This is the order property. किसी भी order में when we arrange the number and we add them, answer हमारा same आएगा. Got it? Now we go to the next property, which is saying if we add 3 or more numbers, then also our answer is same. 3 plus 2 plus 6, right? First you add these two groups, 5 plus when you do 6, then also your answer is 11. Or if you change the group, 6 plus 8, 6 plus 2 plus this 3, then also the answer is 11. Got it? If you change the group of the numbers and add the third one, or be adding these first group and adding the third one, the answer will be same. Or when you add these regularly, all the 3 plus 2 plus 6, then also your answer will be 11. किसी भी तरीके से when you add them, you can get the same answer. Few questions I will ask from the screen, and I will send this picture in your classroom, then you do in the notebook. 4,000, this is the open-ended question for everyone. Please give me the answer. 4,365 plus what we will do so that we can
Zero.
get the same?
Zero.
Excellent.
Zero.
What will come here? What will come in the second answer?
9,888.
9,888.
Very good.
9,988.
What will come here?
8,86,789.
It is 86,000. One child was reading 8 lakh. That is wrong. It is 86,789. Will come the same. So this way you will solve these, right? And the sum of the greatest 5-digit number and 1 is equal to, mean in a greatest 5-digit number, when you add 1, what is the greatest 5-digit number? Varija and Varina, I don't want you to be busy there. Please look here now in the class and go to your individual devices, please.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes, the greatest 5-digit number.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, 99,999.
199.
Dirg will say 9,000.
9,999.
So it is 99,000, not 9,000. Okay. And when you add 1 to this number, what you will get?
1,000,000.
No.
10,000.
Ma'am, can I say Yug?
Yes, you.
Ma'am, 1 lakh.
1 lakh. Got it? And now I'm going to present my screen again. Children, word more, word added. Agar these words are used in this, so it means we are doing the addition. More. If I say 5 more than 10, so what you will do? 5 more than 10. Yes, Kiana will tell me. Kiana, what will be the answer? 5 more than 10.
15.
15. Yes, Rishik Bajaj. 20 more than 40.
Ma'am, 60.
60. Yet Ahana. Ahana, stop eating in the class. Kavisha. Kavisha, my next question is from you.
Yes, ma'am.
Add 15 in 35.
50.
Very good. So if word added is used, if word more than is used, it means you have to do addition in that. Got it? And always the addition start when we add the numbers. We start from which place? When we add the numbers, we start from which place? For example, if I have some numbers.
Ma'am, right. 1.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3,
Right.
4, 6, 2. When we add this, we start from here or we start from which place we start?
Ma'am, from ones.
You all know from ones we will start. 9 plus 2 is what?
11.
11.
1 borrow.
We write 11 like this.
No,
Not
ma'am,
borrow.
1 borrow.
Not borrow. Borrow word we will use in subtraction. This is carry forward.
Carry forward.
Yes, borrowing we do in subtraction. Carry forward we do in addition. So
Okay.
8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus
Nine.
6 is
15.
15.
One
One will
carry
be-
forward.
Ma'am, you are stabbed.
Now am I audible?
Ma'am, you are audible and clearly visible also.
Ma'am, I can see your
Arnav, please try, my dear.
Yes.
7 plus 1 is, add this
8.
and tell me the what answer it comes.
12. 12.
Ma'am, 12. One carry forward.
Am I right here?
No.
No, only 2, 1 carry forward. Next, 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 9, 10.
One carry forward.
Forward.
5, 6, 7, 8.
8.
Got this?
Yes, ma'am.
No. This way we add. And in word problems also, where you see the words all together, word is there. All together, find the total. There you will do the addition. Right? And in word problems, it is compulsory to write the statement also. You have learned in grade 3 how to write the statements?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I am going to send you the worksheet based on this, where you will do the addition sum. You will see some fill in the blanks based on more than, add words, and you will do that, and you will get some word problems. You will read the question properly, and you have to identify whether we do the addition or we have to do the subtraction. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Please do this worksheet in your notebook and then attach the work in the classroom.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Aisha.
Ma'am,